Checking out Apple Fitness Plus. This fitness app seamlessly integrates with your Apple Watch and other devices. See the description for usage experience links and more. From the start, you'll love the intuitive interface. Your Apple Watch tracks key metrics like heart rate and calories burned, displaying them in real time. Explore diverse workouts, HIIT, strength training, yoga, dance, Pilates, cycling, rowing, and more. Filter workouts by duration, difficulty, or even trainer. Fresh workouts and meditations are added weekly. Beginners can ease into fitness with a dedicated section. Apple Fitness Plus is great for anyone active, but shines for Apple users. Work out anytime, anywhere on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. Curated Apple Music playlists boost motivation. Save your favorite workout playlists if you're an Apple Music subscriber. Time to Walk offers inspiring audio walks with notable figures. Guided meditations promote mindfulness. It's $9.99 monthly or $79.99 annually, and included with Apple One Premier. While ideal for Apple Watch users, this reliance might deter others. Overall, Apple Fitness Plus is excellent for Apple enthusiasts wanting a convenient, engaging platform. If you value variety and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, check it out. Links are in the description.